Good morning, dear students. This is your English classwork for the chapter 4, The Last Bargain. Poem. This is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. First synonyms: not, nothing, chariot, an open vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses. Pondered, considered, hedge, fence, glistened, shined, maid, a girl or an unmarried young woman. Next, questions and answers. Who is the speaker in the poem? Answer: a man looking for an employer is speaker in the poem. A man looking for an employer is the speaker in the poem. In which year did Rabindranath Tagore win Nobel Prize? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize in 1930. He was the first Asian and Indian to receive the prize for his Gitanjali, for his work Gitanjali in English literature. Okay. Next, question number 3. What is the speaker's last bargain? Why does he call it the best? What is the speaker's last bargain? Why does he call it the best? Answer: the speaker's final bargain is with a child playing with shells on the sea beach. The child has nothing to pay in return. Still, the man strikes the deal. Playing with the child will make him a free man, not a slave or servant. Now, question number 4. What message does Tagore's poem convey? What does he try to highlight? What message does Tagore's poem convey? What does he try to highlight? Answer: the poem has a profound message. Freedom is more desirable than power, gold, and beauty. An employee becomes a slave or servant. He offers his services on payment, so he is duty bound to work for his employer. Playing with a child ensures the man's freedom. Okay? Okay, now homework. There are 5 questions in your homework that you have to answer. After finding answers from the options, you can send to my WhatsApp. Okay? If you want to write these questions in your English classwork, you can write. It is your wish. Okay? The first question: with what emotion did the speaker accept the child's offer? You have to find out the right answer from the option. Happiness, sacrifice, sadness, boredom. Next, what did the child offer to him with? In the option: power, smile, money, nothing. Third question: what was the child doing? For options you have: A. Playing with flowers, B. Playing with sand, C. Playing with seashells, D. Playing with sea. So, which is the right answer? You have to find out. Okay. Now, fourth question: why does the man accept the child's offer? Option A: it made him a free man. Option B: it made him a noble man. Option C: it made him a rich man. Option D: all the above. Question number 5. What did the young maiden offer to hire the speaker with? Option: power, smile, money, gold, none of the above. Okay, dear students, write your English class work for this chapter, the last bargain. Okay, thank you.